Dear Father Barthol, Father Leslie, Father Joel, Father Edwin, Father John, and Father Cleo, hope all of you are doing well. On the occasion of Vianney Sunday, here is a small dedication from all of us at St. Joseph's Choral Society. Happy feast from all of us. Take care and be safe.
माणसाचा भला माणूस पुरुषांचा शांना पुरुष ख्रिस्ताव धर्माचा पादरी हाय जैस धरणारा पुरुष सोडून आपले आईस बापूस मारून पोटाची हाऊस अन्वेषणाला केलाय त्याने खुश लहान मोठी बहिणी भाऊ सगळी सोडीन वरी बोलतात त्यांना फादर जरीत नाही कोणचा बापूस मालित त्याला दुनिया खूप चालित त्याचं सुख एक जण त्याला बोलतात देव माणूस आणि तो खरा माणूस मानितो तिचे सकल सगळे शिकलेले शिदू काय वकील नगरिष्ठ काहीचे नाही डॉक्टर जशी जुमाली आणि राजाचे समोर Padre High Saint Peter, Yanni keeps the word on the way Jesus bigger. That you was what on the lower, what you put on the man's hour. Aku Kristau Zaila, onachi jiwawa. आज खूप पादरी डोकरी झाल्यान त्या धर्मगुरूची आश्रमान आल्यान मुक्तासर करून थकल्यान आणि पाणी मागून दमल्यान बरी मरणाची वाट बघितलेल्या Pawano wartat kewa janan Como patriza galun nako atman Yachi safkata kewalan Yachi alam galaputan Sadatu atyana Unchiru lazaro Sadatu atyana Unchiru lazaro
Chakarachicha cho chakaloram gando wando lakadakatam akko tak కుక్కో ఇడి ఇడి ఇడిగో ఇడిపాయ్ చికి చకచో గిలి గిలి మల్ సులు సులు మల్ మకరక బుకు బుకురే టుకు బుకురే చకలక బికో ఇక్కో సిలి సిలి సిలిగో జగదుం చికి చకచో देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई हे, देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं हो हम जैसे देखे ये जहां चलो चलो नए ख्वाब बुन ले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे
मैं डालू डालू पे खड़ी डालो जो भी जीता आए चले रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत भागे Hello, hello, you close when I yellow, yellow. बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती चाहिए हेलो हेलो तू मुझे तुम लगाई येलो येलो कटो तो मेरे भाई छछपा में अंदर सारी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल बजानी कर ले गंदा भूलिया
Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. Put a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. Put a bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the dance now, hit the dance now. I got all I need. I ain't got cash, I ain't got cash. I got you, baby.
Hello everyone, On behalf of the Board of Management, the PPC, the cells and associations, parish groups, and on behalf of all the parishioners, I present to you this thank you address, dear fathers, on this occasion of Vianney Sunday, because I am aware of the great dedication, commitment, and generosity with which you work for your people. So, thank you, dear fathers, for your great love and for your intense efforts in making this this parish a vibrant family of faith, and to give us a comfort and courage to walk this life's journey meaningfully. We take time to think how painstakingly you all have ministered to us during these unprecedented times of need. Thank you, fathers, for the several new digital initiatives that you all have taken, especially live streaming of the Sunday Masses recently, and encourage us to respond once again positively and reach out to the peripheries. Today on Vianney Sunday, we, with great love and with great reverence, thank our parish priest, Father Barthol Machado, Father Rumau, Father Leslie Almeida, Father Edwin Azevedo, Father Cleophas Fernandez, and Father Joel Fernandez. I also take this opportunity to thank our priests who have served in this parish previously, and also the priests who are now retired and in the clergy home, and all priests in general. Thank you, dear fathers. Thank you for your involvement in your ministry with the numerous challenges that you have to face. We pray to the Almighty Father to bless you, to shower His love upon you, joy, to give you good health, and to help you grow in holiness, and to lead your people, to lead us all wisely by giving us a clear thrust to our apostolate. Thank you, dear fathers. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.